There's no way you can sell me the screen.
No.
60? You can sell me the screen for 70?
What's the point?
I just don't want y'all to put it on my phone.
Why?
Because if it come back broke.
How's it gonna come back broke?
It's happened before. If
I sold screens and people tried to return them broke.
I can't return
it. It was nothing but a problem for me.
I just can't afford to get it. I was going to just buy the screen myself, but it won't. I can't put the damn code in, and I need it for work. So I'm kind of like in a bind. Or else I fix them all the time. Or else I'd do it myself.
You have been doing this for 30
years.
I
trust you. Yeah, no. Look, my daughter can do it. I know you can do it. Come on now. It ain't that hard. I just did it in front of you. You give me the screen, I'll put it on here right now. You said 20 minutes?
No, you got it all apart. It'll probably take me 5 minutes.
You could just give it to me. I'll do it myself.
Give me 75. No returns.
That's what I'm saying. Give me $5, man.
No returns, no questions, no nothing.
You wasn't going to let me do that even if you did it. Come on now.
There you go, judging everybody, huh?
You judged me talking about Italians. You said Italians let you stay there?
How was I judging you?
Why would they let
I know New York City, that's why.
Why wouldn't they? You know
Man, you don't know what I've seen growing up there.
Come on, bro. Give me the thing. You trying to play. You trying to play dumb. $75 for a damn song. I was makes sense, bro. You go back to New York or something.
That's alright. I got my money from Europe.
I know. That's why y'all here. Taking all our shit.
That's why I'm here, taking your shit.
You know I'm going to talk shit. Niggas hate spending money, bro.
No, I know you are.
I live in New York.
I know.
And I do this, so it just hurt me giving this money to you. I do this shit for myself for half the price. I just need my phone right now. I can't wait to do this. You feel me? But it's whatever. Right? You
know, when I go to a hookah bar, and I'm paying them $5 for a bottle of water.
Right now.
No, hold on.
You don't need it.
$5 for a bottle of water and $3 for a bag of chips. I'm not paying for a bottle of water and a bag of chips. I'm paying for the convenience. I'm there.
That's what
and I want the bottle of water and I want the bag of chips.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I'm paying $40 convenience. $40 is crazy. That's double, bro. And you was over there talking to her about laws and Trump. I said, I know this motherfucker don't got the nerve. You part of the problem.
I'm part of the problem.
Yes. Look how you getting over on our community like this. But it's okay because you got
call me getting over on the community by opening up a business.
I'm not the serious.
I got to pay taxes and utilities. So you think it's free?
Next door they do the same thing in my hood. They don't charge you the car and it's half the price. I only have to pay this much because y'all right in the middle of the hood.
That's it, huh?
That's really what it is. Y'all ain't trying to.
You're racist.
How that?
You're racist.
You could be black.
Who's y'all? Show me.
The people with the... Come on, bro.
Come on, what?
Man, y'all. What's the demographic of people that own these type of stores?
It's mixed.
Man, y'all can't hold
y'all
accountable, man. I'm not having...
You don't even know.
You got my money. Say less.
I'm not trying to say nothing, though. You're the one talking.
I'm about to have this conversation with you, bro.
You're the one talking.
Exactly. Let me stop.
And you don't know what the demographic is.
You keep talking.
You don't know. I do.
You don't know what I know.
No.
You don't know what I know.
What's the demographic then? You tell me.
Come on now. Middle Eastern.
Tell me.
In Arabic, bro.
Tell me.
I just told you. I know from me going to
That's it. So you don't know any black people on the store?
I know two of them.
Or Puerto Ricans?
I know two.
Or white people?
No.
I know more than two.
I know. I'm telling you what I know.
I know more than two.
I'm telling you what I know.
And the one that I know owns like 15 of them.
You got a college degree?
I don't have one.
Okay, I'm not arguing with you.
No? I'm in business for myself. For you?
That's fine. You still trying to argue with me?
Because you're being racist.
I'm not. You can't call a black person racist.
Why not?
You're being ignorant.
Why not?
You one of them trolls on the internet.
I'm one of those trolls on the internet. Do I look white to you? Because
race, a lot of people are not white. You being racist. Racism is a systematic oppressed program played by the white people. You can't be racist or I can't be racist because racism is towards us. Like you,
right, it is.
Exactly.
Right,
exactly. So you trying to have a conversation? I ain't saying you was racist, and I ain't saying I'm racist. The fuck is you talking about? Exactly. Ain't got nothing to do with being racist. You try to pull that card out your ass. It ain't gonna work with me.
Right. When you say y'all people.
I'm talking about y'all. I ain't saying nothing to do with race. I'm talking about
that is exactly what that means.
Because I ain't gonna fake. I ain't gonna fake. I'm not gonna fake. The homies are, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But it's okay. I ain't mean to say like y'all people like that. I mean y'all people like store owners. Because black people do the same shit. I just say whatever the fuck I want to say. Okay, you took it that. You took it that way.
Because you said it that way.
No, I didn't. You said I don't get offended when people say y'all people because I'm a y'all person. I'm a black man. I'm an educated black man. I'm a Clevelander. If they say y'all people and they point in their Clevelanders, I'm gonna take it. You feel me? I didn't mean it in a racist. I don't know your ethnicity for real. I don't know where you're from. I don't. Are you Arabic? Yeah. Are you?
That's why you showed me a tattoo on your
arm. I assumed
with the Arabic. Alphabet, right?
Yeah, exactly. You know what it says?
I didn't even see it.
It says Salam. I just assumed. I didn't know. I just assumed, bro. Trust me, I'm beat up because I didn't want to spend $75 for a damn screen.
I feel you.
You feel me? But it's okay. I'm happy y'all was here. This tape thing is always the worst. I'm going to do that last. Actually, I got to do it first. Yeah, I got to do it first. I actually appreciate you being here because I went to 3 other shows and they weren't available. I'm just talking shit. I'm just talking shit.
Hey, talk your shit, man. I ain't mad at you.
Cause look,
person got a vet sometimes.
You feel me?
I want to know if you had any cases for these.
What is that? Is it 815 or 815? $35 is fine.
Okay, I need to ask you a forgiveness. He was right. Because I can't do this. I don't have the screws. I don't have the screws.
I mean, I sat there watching you and letting you do it.
You should have said, dumbass, you don't have the screws. Why you talking shit? Can I just come back in like an hour?
That's fine.
You don't mind?
That's fine.
Can I have this back though?
You can have whatever you want back. You can have the box too.
Alright, I appreciate you.
Alright.
Alright.
So the customer that was giving me a hard time, being racist, I don't care what he says. This is how he gives me his phone, and I will pull up video footage of him attempting to do this while he was in my store. Let's hope his phone works.